Hi, I'm Nancy Simm, Director of Long-Term Care and Longevity Planning at Highland Capital Brokerage. I'm located in Connecticut, but we do work across the country as a national firm. I got my designation for CLTC I had to look this up, back in 2001. So it's been a while. And I got it because I entered the long-term care area, handling long-term care for our agency after a few years on the life insurance side. And I wanted to become educated. I wanted to know everything there was, be as good at it as possible to help our advisors and their clients. And so I found out about the CLTC designation and went ahead and took the course. I got the designation as part of my own education, learning what I could to be able to help promote the conversations. I've continued it all these years because I think it's really important to be a professional in this area. I am a long-term care insurance professional, so sort of like attorneys, doctors, you go extra schooling, you have designations. I think it's really important for people to know that you've taken the extra steps, you think it's important, you believe in it, and want to hold yourself forth that way. It also has been just a great resource for ways to talk to clients, how to have the conversations, what language to use. So as I find it so important to have this designation, to have the education, to have the language and words, to have that professionalism and keep the client's interests at the forefront, I would strongly suggest, if you have not yet done it, take the time, take the course, get your designation. It is well worth it, and I think you'll be really happy.